A yellow jacket attempts to take a worm from a small group of ants. One courageous ant goes head-to-head with the wasp. A tussle ensues between the two, and before long, this tiny titan is whacked away with the swift turn of the yellow jacket's body. These little warrior ants are not deterred and are determined more than ever to win back their worm. The ants surround the yellow jacket, a clear message they will not give up their food without a fight. The wasp retreats. The wasp returns to the food source. It's hard to give up such a mouth-watering meal. And so it tries again to carry the worm away from the small army of ants who found it. Its efforts fall flat. The weight of the worm is more than a sole yellowjack can manage. It commits to an alternative method. It bites off as much as it can carry in its mouth. And with that, the yellowjack makes its final exit, abandoning additional opportunities to feast on the ant's food find. Armed with tenacity and teamwork, a tiny army of ants ward off a wasp 5 times their size to reclaim their food. There are so many wonderful creatures that inhabit the space we walk through every day. During your walks along the way, notice nature. Naturally Naked Nature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.